Alright, hello everyone. How are you? This is Kei. So today is the 14th of June 2023 on Wednesday. So I hope we are having a great day today. And looks like markets are active. So let's review some markets together and see what's going on. And today, since I have to leave home in about 1 hour, I will do live stream for the next 30 minutes or so. But hopefully you learn something new from today's live stream and learn Ichimoku and also my own strategy, KTS. So let me switch screen. Okay. Oh, by the way, the GTS in July is filling soon. Now there is only 1 seat available. 2 seats, 1 seat available. So if you're interested, just let me know. This is my 3 months training course. You can see more details from the link on below description. Okay. Alright, gamer, thank you very much for joining. Let me say hi to everyone before I see more joiners, more viewers today. Okay. Oh, making profits on USD Swiss franc, pound USD, pound JPY, Euro GBP, Swiss franc JPY, AUD JPY, and Nasdaq. Wow, that's lots of markets you're trading at the same time. Okay. Yeah, looks like the markets are finally going towards the major direction, stably. So when things like this happen, then we can all make profits. Because I'm a trend follower, so whenever I see trends by Ichimoku, I look for an entry timings based on lower time frames and take entries. So yeah, but looks like so far in the month of June has been some active markets, but just watch out on tonight's FOMC. But so far USD looks to be very weak today. So actually I'm also in the positions on pound USD. I'm holding buy right now. So hopefully you're also making some nice profits this week or in the month of June itself. Okay, gamer, thank you very much for the comment. And Pauline, good to see you. Thank you very much. And Gabby, good to see you too. Alright, and Composer, also good to see you. Thank you very much. Alright. So anyone trading any market right now? Just let me know. Alright, Tom Sato, good to see you. And Kevin, good to see you as well. Thank you very much. And Kenley, good to see you too. Alright. AW says, Kay got some good pips on pound USD today, but I'm still too anxious with moving the stop loss, need more practice. Okay. You are the KTS Academy member, so you saw my trades real time. Yeah. Really the stop loss management or the risk management is really important. It's really the key of my strategy. So you may be able to read the direction of the market, but if your losses will be big, or if the timing of the entries is wrong, then you may get stopped out along the way. So really how to move the stop loss is really the key to have smaller risk, smaller drawdowns, but future profits should cover the losses is my strategy. So yeah, please practice, no rush, just practice over the trading view, over the Forex Tester or any tools, and hopefully you also be better in trades. Okay, so now let me switch screen to trading view and start to see charts now. So today I have been focusing 4 pairs. One is the pound USD, which has been bullish. It's about to break the resistance now. So I'm on the pound USD buy. I bought actually twice. I bought one 1.2634, and secondly I bought it on 1.2665. So I bought this pair twice and keep holding my trade so far. Okay, and also GBPJPY, this pair is also very nice. Well, Pound USD, I took this trade because my concern is the Kumo is too thin, so the market may retrace anytime. That's Pound USD. But if you look at the Kumo shape on Pound JPY, it's much thicker and longer, so I think this pair will move up continuously. But I didn't take the Pound JPY because I simply couldn't find the right entry timing. And that's why I took Pound USD and now running some profits. And then also I was monitoring AUDCAD, which is bullish on the 4 hour. Now 4 hour is about to break that resistance 0.9058 area. So once it breaks, I think it goes up really fast. So yeah, AUDCAD also looks good once the break happens. And then AUDJPY also looks good. This one is also continuously bullish, so no doubt it's bullish. And I think the market will reach 95.76 level. So that's the swing high from the October 2022. So yeah, I think these 4 pairs are good, and also CADJPY was good, but today it's retracing. Daily is still bullish, I think, but it's a bit retracing today. And Swiss franc JPY is also looking good. It may break that resistance and goes up strong. So yeah, looks like JPY pairs are bullish, so we can continue to focus as I have been mentioning about these markets. USDJPY broke the P wave bullish, but now it's going back down, so it's range purely. So that's why I don't mark USDJPY on my watch list. And EuroJPY is also about to break that resistance, so I think this one is also good. Still ascending P wave, so once the breaks happens, then you can follow uptrend. Still waiting for that to happen on EuroJPY. So that's my analysis overall on these markets. So yeah, let me see. Let me check some comments now and maybe see some trades, see some markets more closely in the lower time frames. So again, thank you very much for joining today. Today I have another meeting and I have to leave home in 1 hour. So I may end the live in about 20 or 30 minutes. So it will be a bit shorter than usual, but hopefully you continue to learn until the end today. And watch out on the FOMC tonight also. Okay, so let me check some comments. First, Pauline says, if we have time today, could you show me how you set the take profit and stop losses? Yeah, basically I put the stop losses based on the 5-minute time frame. So whenever I see 5-minute bullish like N waves, for example, if the N wave goes up like this, I take a buy, for example here, and I put the stop loss below the previous pushback. Below the previous pushback, I put the stop loss like this. Yeah, so that's my simple stop loss strategy. Yeah, sorry, I think it's covered by the message, so you may not be able to see. So again, if I just write here, let's say the market is bullish, and if the market goes up on this is M5, usually I take trades and exit and move stop losses by 5-minute time frame. So let's say the market goes up this way, I take buy, and then sorry, I think the drawing is a bit lagging, so it's a bit looks like a bit messy. So I think I would just draw it very slowly. But yeah, so if I buy here, then I put the stop loss below the pushback. That's my basic idea of my risk management. And when it comes to take profit, I don't set that. I don't set the TP because let's say the market has the resistance here, let's say, and there's a major resistance. So I used to set the TP here or slightly below because sometimes the market won't touch that resistance, but slightly below it starts to reverse. So I used to set the TP slightly below so that once the market reaches here, I take profit. But now I don't set TP because I monitor chart, and if the market retraces, I exit manually. So that is my exit strategy. I exit manually, or I move the stop losses higher and higher, and once the market hits the stop loss, I exit. It's my exit timing. And also, what's more, if the market breaks the resistance, which happens also, then usually it goes really fast towards my direction, and I make more profits than taking the new entries. Because on the new entries, I risk 2% always. So if I enter newly here, then I'm risking 2%, and I may lose 2% on this particular trade. If the market retraces, I may lose 2% or 1%. But if I trail the profits, then I don't lose. So that's why I prefer to trail, keep trading until it retraces. So that's why I don't set the TP. That's a part of my take profit strategy versus risk management. So that's how I manage the take profit and also the stop losses. Yeah, so I think my strategy is unique. So and I don't think you'll hear this kind of strategy somewhere, because this is the strategy I myself has created, and I have no mentor, no teacher. Simply based on my experience, I have developed my own strategy. So that's how I manage my take profit. Well, sorry, no take profit, but stop losses. Yeah, so looks like markets are active now. So yeah, I also see some US index are bullish too, like yeah, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq bullish now. So yeah, looks like we have some active markets in the month of June. I remember that for the last 2 years, 3 years, the month of June has less trends, and the market goes into July and August, and the market loses the volatility usually. But this year looks like it's a bit different because I still see some opportunities in the month of June, and I make some profit still. Still, this is halfway through in the June, but yeah, I still make profit. So yeah, looks like we see some trends. So that means this year we may see some trends still in July and August. So we'll see. So like these patterns has been a bit changed over time. So that's why we have to monitor every day possible and see how the market has been moving and how they are changing over time, so that you know what to do. Okay. Alright, let me see. John says, I'm currently in the trade Pound USD, confirms stochastic, and what is the current analysis? Yeah, Pound USD to me is also bullish now. Yeah, Pound USD is bullish. The Kumo is thin on the daily, but 4-hour Kumo is okay. So in this case, I would follow the 4-hour uptrend. And it looks like the market is near the resistance from 10th of May on 1.2680. And today, it's breaking bullish, but we'll see. If today's candlestick closes below that resistance, below 1.2678, then from tomorrow or next week, the market may retrace down to the Kijun Sen or Tenkan Sen. But so far, it's been breaking, so that's why I'm still holding the buy position on this one. So yeah, my view is bullish on pound USD also. Okay, Holman, thanks for joining. And Photo, good to see you. All right, Afsal, good to see you from Maldives. That's a nice place. I hope I can visit one day. Thank you very much for joining. Augustine, good to see you. Michael, thanks for joining as well. All right, Pauline, currently in AUD/JPY and Swiss franc JPY. Yeah, I think these are also uptrending. So yeah, I think those are also good. Okay, Augustine is also trading pound USD long. Okay, yeah, so you know what you're doing. That's great. Yes. So if I just go deeper, a bit deeper on this pound USD, so 4 hours bullish and 4 hour has been having some nice N waves. And also previously there was a breakout of an inside bar. So if I just zoom out a little bit, then there was an inside in the 4 hour, then breakout. So if I only look at the candlesticks, then you may think that this is overbought. But if you know Ichimoku, then you know it's not overbought because the Kumo is still thick and big and long. So Kumo shape is really important, especially with my strategy, because whenever I see Kumo thin, then I don't take trade. So Kumo has been thin on a daily, but I choose either daily or 4 hour time frames to follow. So if daily Kumo thin, then I choose 4 hour to follow uptrend, and that should be fine. So if the market keeps going up this way, then eventually daily Kumo will be thicker and longer, but it may be traced too. So this week, today we have FOMC, so let's see how it plays out. Before the big news happens, I set break even and see how it goes. Yeah, AUD/JPY is also bullish. Yeah, AUD/JPY daily chart is stably bullish. So yeah, I think this is also another good pair to trade. Just watch out on the resistances nearby. But the resistances are on 95.57 to 76. So I think you have a room of 34 or 40 to 50 pips or so to trade. So the best of the best scenario is to wait for the major resistance breakout, 95.77 breakout, and follow through uptrend to the all-time high, 98.59. But today is bullish, so you can still follow uptrend. And Kumo is not too thin. This is still thick and bigger, longer Kumo. So if you only look at the candlesticks like this, then you may think that this is overbought and the market may be traced. But if you know Ichimoku, then you know it's not. So yeah, this is also good, I think. Okay, Gamer says, started all the trades in the beginning of the week and they developed pretty good with tight stop losses. Okay, so that's good. Oh, thank you for the compliment. Okay, and thanks for joining, good to see you. Okay, Euro Pound, I think Euro Pound is range. Yeah, Euro Pound, I'm waiting for the break of the support on 0.8536. About to break, so we'll see. Today's FOMC, it may break the support, and tomorrow you can come in and follow downtrend. That's Euro Pound. Yeah, currency strength chart is really important, yes. Yeah, I do check the strength chart, which is this page, and see what is happening among the markets in terms of the strengths on each currency. So looks like today the pink New Zealand has been so strong, and yellow USD is really weak. And the CAD is also weak today. The purple CAD is also weak. And AUD is slightly bullish, and Swiss franc also. But the rest of the markets, rest of the currencies are in sideways. So if you focus on these pairs, USD or New Zealand or AUD or CAD or Swiss franc, then that means you may see some trends. And also I do check the strength chart after news, because if you only check the website, if you only check the markets, then let's say when you see USD/JPY is going up, but let's say for example today's, in practical example, today pound USD is bullish, 4 hours stably bullish, but you don't know whether this is bullish because of the strong pound or because of the weak USD or both. In that case, you check the strength chart, and today the green GBP is in the sideways, but USD is down. And this is when you know that, okay, so this uptrend is caused by not the strong pound, but weak USD today. And when you see that, then you can also guess that so that means the other USD pairs may be bullish or bearish. And you check these charts and look for the trending markets by Ichimoku, and also with my strategy. So that's the right process to do it. So yeah, okay, so I think gold is not bullish because of the weak USD. So let's check. Let me switch gold. Okay, so gold is bullish, but overall still range. So no trends, no trace. You see Chikou span has been trading. I think I said this somewhere in the either public live or membership live stream, I forgot. But I can see that there is a Chikou span trace. Chikou span has been following the candlesticks in the 4 hour. So today is bullish, so that means tomorrow should be bullish too. So that means the market will be bullish in the very short term. But in the long term, we don't know which way it's going. Still, it has been ranging, so no trade so far. Daily is still within the Kumo, too spiky, so now I focus on Forex pairs only. In terms of the price action, I can't tell. I can't tell which way it's going. The possible scenario is that the market is breaking. It's breaking the trend line. This is a yellow trend line. So because this yellow trend line has been active since all time here, since the 3rd of November last year, and it has been respecting up until today. So if the trend line break happens, and if the market breaks Kumo on the daily, then it's possible that the market goes down. So I think I will put down arrow below the Kumo so that we can remember my analysis. So that's the gold, XAUUSD. Oh, while talking, I actually monitor my chart, my trade on my mobile now, on my desk, and I can see that the pound USD M5 broke higher. So let me just go back. So I took one trade on 1.2634, which is this one. This is one of my trades, and I'm still holding this buy. I'm making 61 pips of profit so far. This is M5, and second position I took it on 1.2665, so it was here. Around this area I took buy and keep holding. And since I see the N wave bullish, let me move the stop losses manually. I mean N wave here. Then I move the stop losses. So just hold on. It's kind of difficult to live and trade at the same time, but I thought that this is a good market to be in a trade. That's why I did. In terms of this second entry on 1.2665, me and also the members, KTS and GTS members, we did live together and took that trade. So hold on, so I think I put the stop loss on 1.2675 or 726, yeah. Hold on, 1.26. Two, 6, 6, 7, yeah, let me see. When it's live, I feel a bit nervous for some reason. I think this is because I'm not doing this alone, so I make sure that my price levels are correct because I'm on the camera, so okay, so this is good. So I set break even now. And I think I will trail the profit on my first trade. My stop loss is now here on my first trade, so I think I will move the stop loss higher to here. Yeah, and fix the profit of 43. So yeah, let me move it to 1.2678. Okay, so that's done correctly. And second stop loss, I move it to here. 1.26495. 1.26495. Yeah, 1.26495. Just to make sure. Okay. Okay, so now they are done correctly. Okay, perfect. So take a screenshot to share it to my members. Okay, good, perfect. Okay, yeah, so looks like pound USD has been really strongly bullish. So if you are trading on this one, you can still follow and trail profits until the news happens. Okay, let me see. I know some of you trade cryptos, so let me also do crypto analysis. BTC USD. I choose the daily time frame, and yeah, looks like it's not moving that much. It's still range, but this is bearish. The prices are below Tenkan Kijun Sen Kumo and Chikou span below candles on this daily time frame. So if the market breaks the support of 25,358, then it may go down very strongly. Yeah, let's see. Okay, good to see you everyone. Thank you very much for joining. So I think I will finish the live in about 10 minutes or so, because I have to leave home in about 30 minutes. Today I have my Arabic language lesson, so I'm excited. It's coming along. It's just some basics still because I haven't been able to catch up for the last couple of weeks. So my study still stopped, But hopefully within this year, I can learn Arabic in conversation level. Since I'm in Dubai, why not making some friends with the local language and understand the local culture is my one of my missions this year. Okay, so and before the class starts, I have to prepare. I need to prepare maybe 10-15 minutes before the class starts. So yeah, that's why I think I will finish the live in about 10 minutes or so. Okay. Alright, so let me see. I see lots of comments. Okay, so yes, I take 2 trades at the same time every time. Yeah. So every time I enter trades, I take 2 trades. Yes. So yeah, let me just show you my real-time screenshot of my entries, so that you know how I entered these trades. So let me see. Okay, so let me share screen again. All right, so here you go. Oops. Not this one, just hold on. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the screenshot I took when I took the first trade on my pound USD buy at 8:30 AM UTC. So this is a screenshot. I saw uptrends on 4 hour, 1 hour, and took trades on the 5-minute time frame. It was done on 1.2634 and put the stop loss of 31 pips stop loss. 31 pips stop loss is just fine with me. If it's like 60 pips, then that would be too big, or even 50 pips, I think that would be too big. But if the stop loss is up to 40 or 45, sometimes I take it 50 if it's reasonable. But usually I prefer to do it below 40 pips and stop loss. So 31 is still okay for the stop loss, and I move the stop loss higher once I see the N wave confirmation. So this is a question I got previously, how I manage my stop loss. Yeah. So yeah, that's how I move the stop loss. Coming back to this question. And also along the way, hold on, let me open it bigger. So along the way, the market actually moved towards my direction. I saw that this breakout was a bit shallow. So again, I moved the stop loss higher and higher based on N wave. Confirmation, but I wanted to wait for the breakout. This one I was a bit questioned. Hopefully I wait for the breakout of this doji or inside bullish, and then move the stop loss to break even. Break even is here, but I moved it already because I was going to do live stream, and most likely I won't be able to monitor chart, and that's why I move the break even already. But hopefully I wanted to wait for the breakout and set break even. So it depends on my schedule. If I have to go, or if I have some live stream, if I have some meetings or some schedule, then I move the stop losses more flexibly. But usually I wait for the N waves to manage my stop losses. So that's how I moved the stop losses, like this way. And this is my second entry. This trade was done live today among the members. So Yeah, this is the screenshot when I took the second entry on the same pair, Pound USD. 4 hour, 1 hour bullish, 5 minute also is showing nice bullish confirmations, so I took the buy. And then, so this is another trace. So this was my first trade, and with the break even and trail the stop loss, I moved the stop loss higher. And then this is my second entry. This is my second entry, and my stop losses were down here. So above this first buy, I have 3 stop losses. One is break even for this buy, and 2 are the stop losses for these second buy positions. So 3 stop losses here, and 1 stop loss trading profit for my first trade, and this is my second entry. And now I saw that there was N wave. So where was it? Yeah, M5. There was an N wave. I just saw it right now. So I moved the stop losses higher on my second trade, and on my first trade I trail the profits. So that's just what I did by mobile. Always I use mobile to manage my stop losses and monitor chart. When I take entries, I make sure to do it by PC, because I want to check the bigger screen and strings chart, news website, and calculate the position size and so on. So I better do it by PC. But after I took the entry, then I just use my mobile to manage the stop losses. So yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so I think I'll finish the live stream now. So again, thank you very much for joining today. I hope you have a great day, great days this week, and hope to see you on the next one. So I will be going to learn Arabic from now. So one day I may be able to do live in Arabic, but that will be a long way. Now my goal is to be able to speak conversation in Arabic with my friends, and also learn culture. Language and culture are closely connected. So if you want to learn culture, then the best way I think is to learn the language. So yeah, I think this is very exciting. So thank you very much again. I hope we have a great day, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.